No. No. Oh, God, no.
Oh my God.
Am I...
Who is she? That fucking...
Do you mind?
Gang, get the fuck out of my way, bro. I'm trying to do my schoolwork, bro.
Can we watch TV in peace? can we watch TV in peace, please? Like, what the fuck?
Good boy! Mr. Bentley!
You get down? You don't? You get down? No.
We need the reagents to do a higher volume of tests.
Who the fuck is in bed with you? I see the cup.